Hello! This last video will be a bit shorter than the others, but we will quickly go over textures and how to export and use them. First, navigate to the texture menu on the left side of the screen. After selecting the model to texture, choose one of the scans to pull texture information from. Then select the preview from the texture destination. Clicking Apply will show a preview of the texture and will offer some correction tools. Depending on how the texture information looks from the scan, you may need to go back and select a different scan. This slider right here sets the triangle size in pixels. If the texture is blurry, you can increase the triangle size. This leads to crisper images shown here. After the best texture and triangle size have been selected, the correction tools can be used to fix the appearance of the texture in order to bring it closer to reality. All this information will be saved in the material and image file for the texture. This has been covered in earlier videos, but to export the mesh, we will first go to File, then Export, then Meshes. Change the format to OBJ, then choose a name and location for the mesh and export the file. Now if we navigate to the export location, we can see the OBJ file as well as the material and image file for the texture. With the mesh exported, the only thing left to do is render it. The rest of this video will be a process to create this render using Blender. There won't be any commentary and the footage will be sped up twice as fast, but feel free to slow it down and watch through if you're curious. Thank you,